Hi, welcome back. You're still tuned into Midcap Radar on CNBC-TV18. Midcap Index, by the way, has taken a further knock. The index is down 830 points. That's a cut of around 2.5%. So watch out for that one. But a lot of stocks in the broader markets, which are also moving around on the back of some news flow that has come in. And in our special segment, Midcap Spotlight, Mangalam is focusing on VRL Logistics. The stock is in the red despite the fact that there is some sale that they have made of one of their businesses.
That's correct, so the stock is lower by about 1%, but that's primarily on account of a couple of things. One, mild amount of profit taking, and also at the same time, we are seeing weakness in the mid-cap index itself. So VRL Logistics, remember, despite the cut that we're seeing for this week, is up around 6% this year, up 52%. In the last 12 months, it's rallied about over 80% itself. And yesterday, there was an announcement that they will sell their bus transport division to a promoter entity, for which they will get about 230 odd crore rupees. Now, remember, the bus transport accounted for almost 8.5–9% of their overall revenues in FY22. But importantly, the goods transport business, which is majority of the company's business, was actually a profit-making company with about 271 crores, whereas the bus division made losses. Importantly, the company's got net debt of almost 155 odd crores, which is increased from 130 crores. So with this 230 crores that comes in from the promoter entity to the company would actually make it a net cash company as well. And they've been doing that in the recent past itself. In fact, in July 2022, they went ahead and sold off their wind power division for about 48 odd crores as well. And why are they doing all of this, and why is this important? Well, because in April itself, they had announced a 560 crore capex plan to purchase about 1,600 trucks, which would increase their carrying capacity by 25,000 tons over the next 12 to 18 months. And, in the first quarter itself, they've incurred capex of around 86.5 odd crores. So they currently have about 73,600 tons in terms of capacity, and that would increase by about 25,000 tons. So that is one trigger watching out for VRL Logistics. But importantly, Motilal Oswal, on the back of this bus sale development, also has revised their FY24 EPS targets by about 8%, because they believe that with this loss-making business going away, this would be profitable for their EBITDA estimates, and lower debt as well, because they will get around 230 crores, which they will use for capex. They maintain a buy rating on the stock with a target price of 860.
Okay, all right, Mangalam. Thanks very much for joining in and giving us that entire 360-degree view on VRL Logistics. So it's not just a positive brokerage report, besides the fact that they've exited one part of their business, but the fact that there could be lower losses and lower debt going forward for the company. But let's move on to the hospitality sector. CNBC-TV18 caught up with Royal Orchid Hotels, the management, and asked them about tourism demand trends as well as the company's expansion plans. Listen in.